Hello everyone. Today I will discuss a very important portion of engineering mathematics, that is rank of matrix. Before going to discuss what is rank of matrix, these are some outlines of today's discussion. Some matrix and minor, rank of matrix, elementary transformation of a matrix, and echelon form of matrix. Matrix is a chapter, very interesting one. Already know from your earlier classes what is the meaning of matrix, different types of matrix, operations on matrix like addition, subtraction, multiplication, transpose of matrix, and how to find inverse of matrix. Today we will discuss the rank of matrix. Let us to discuss. What is submatrix and minor? Any submatrix means a very small matrix like your set and subset. Subset means is a big set, subset is small set. Similarly, matrix is a big matrix, maybe order 3 matrix, maybe order 4 matrix, and a submatrix means by deleting some rows and columns, maybe 2 rows, maybe 3 rows, maybe row and column. As per definition, any matrix obtained by deleting or cancelling some rows or columns or both of a given matrix A is called a submatrix. For example, I take here one matrix 1 2 3 minus 1 0 3 minus 3 2 4 is order 3 matrix. It has 3 rows and 3 columns. I take a cancellation of a first row and a first column. The rest elements are 0 5 2 4. So 0 5 2 4 it is clearly a matrix having 2 rows and 2 columns, and it is order 2 matrix, and clearly it is a submatrix of this matrix. Similarly, we can find it by cancelling first row, second column, first row, third column, first row, maybe second row, third row, and so on. But important one is in determining the rank of matrix, submatrix, that is the square submatrix required. Why? Let us discuss. Another fact is the determinant of a square submatrix is called minor. Minor is simply a value obtained by taking the determinant of a square submatrix, because already know that a square matrix only determinant is possible. For example, here 0 5 2 4 is a submatrix, square submatrix, and determinant value is nothing but 0 5 2 4 determinant. Cross multiply 0 into 4 0 minus 2 5 10, this is minus 10. And see here minus 10 is a number which is non-zero number. If it is zero number, it is called zero minor. If it has its value is non-zero, it is called non-zero minor. Because this fact required in our next discussion, that is rank of matrix. So rank of matrix, what is the definition first of all? A matrix is said to be of a rank R. R is a number which is always positive number, never be negative nor fraction, maybe 0 also. So rank of matrix is a number R. How will obtained? By taking the minor of different submatrices. And submatrices means you already know, by cancelling different row and different columns, at least it has at least one non-zero minor of order R. Suppose I take order 2 matrix. If in the previous slide I take order 2 matrix whose value is non-zero, so this says it has at least means suppose 9 minus there of order 2, at least one subminor is non-zero. And second condition is every minor of order R should be 0, means vanishes. Briefly or in short, rank of a matrix is the largest order of any non-vanishing minor of the matrix. Largest means highest order. As a second thing is a minor of a matrix obtained by similar method. rank of matrix is the number of non-zero rows in the upper triangular matrix. Suppose I take a matrix here. I take a matrix, suppose here 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 5, 4, 6, 7. Now see here, the left top to right bottom elements 1, 0, 7 are called diagonal elements. And there are 3 elements above diagonal, 3 elements below diagonal. When these 3 elements below diagonal are 0, by taking different operation, in the next slide I will discuss. If this is 0, then this matrix or square matrix is said to be upper triangular matrix. And another thing, rank of matrix is denoted by the symbol row A. Let us discuss. Taking an example, how to find a rank. Suppose I take the example, find rank of the matrix 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 1, 0, 2. Clearly it is a matrix of order 3. So first of all, first find the determinant. Determinant why? The minor value gives the determinant value gives minor. Determinant symbol like a modular symbol. A determinant is nothing but 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 1, 0, 2 determinant value. After simplification determinant, we get the value as a minus 2. Clearly now see this minus 2 is non-zero. And as per definition, the non-zero minor gives the order of non-zero minor gives the rank. Clearly, since it is order of 3 cross 3 or a third order determinant, rank of this matrix is 3. Another we can take example. Similarly, we can discuss taking another example 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1 having rank 2. Let us discuss. Clearly, this is a matrix. Suppose A matrix. If I take a and it is a order of 3 by 3. First of all, find its determinant value 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 3, 2, 1. And 1 into simplification 1 into 1 minus 2 minus 2 into 1 minus 3 plus 3 into 2 minus 3. It is nothing but a minus 1 plus 4 and minus 3. And clearly now see this is a 0. Plus 4 minus 4 cancel 0. 0 means it is a minor of order 3 whose value 0 means rank is not rank of A matrix is not equal to 3 as per definition. Then what is the rank? Rank of a matrix is less than 3. So how to check a less than 3 means either rank is 2 or rank is 1. So as per definition, check the minor of order 2, anyone, because there are possible 9 subminors or submatrices which are of order 2. Take any submatrix which is order 2 should be non-zero. Suppose I take here this one. If I check here 1, 2, 1, 1, determinant value is 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1, and this is nothing but a non-zero. Non-zero means we get the rank, and since its order is 2, clearly rank of this matrix is equal to 2. Understand? So come to next discussion. Elementary transformation. So this is the requirement to find the rank of matrices of higher order generally. Higher order means suppose I take a 4 cross 4 matrix, 3 cross 4 matrix, 4 cross 3 matrix, or a 4 cross of 5 matrix. So these are the requirements. The following there are 3 operations, rows and columns, known as elemental transformation. What is this? First one is the interchange of any 2 rows. Interchange of any 2 rows means suppose I want to interchange in a matrix row 1 with row 2. So this is a clearly symbol R1 double row with R2. Similarly, if I want to change a column 1 column 2 interchange, means a column 1 replaced by column 2 or column 2 replaced by column 1, these are the symbols. So next one is the multiplication of any row or any column by a non-zero number. Very simple it is. Similarly, we can write in a notation as suppose row 1 replaced by twice into row 2, 2 multiplication are 2. This is the operation covers your second one. Similarly, suppose column 2 replaced by minus 3 into column 2. This is another operation which gives you the simple idea about any row or any element multiplication by non-zero number. Next come to third one. This is very important. The addition of a constant multiple of elements of any row or any column by the corresponding elements of other row column. Very simple meaning again. Let us to discuss by mathematically notation. That means suppose row 1 replaced by row 1 plus 2 into R2. Its meaning is row 1 element twice of row 2 elements, corresponding elements, and replace by in the place of row 1 place. This is the symbol and the symbolic form. And column 1 suppose by column 1 minus column 2. Similarly, column 1 elements minus column 2 elements replace the values with column 1 place. And elemental transformation does not change the rank of matrix. This is simple idea we discuss in the next slide. Another fact is the echelon form of a matrix. Echelon form, this is very simple as upper triangular form of the matrix. What is the meaning of echelon form? A matrix is said to be in echelon form if the first non-zero element in the row, each row is 1. I take here 2 examples. First non-zero, each element is 1 here. See 1, 2, 3, first element is 1. Every non-zero row A of matrix A proceeds every 0 row. Means this is first 0, this is 1 here. And this is double 0, here 1. Same thing here. And the number of 0 before the first non-zero element in the first, second or third row are in increasing order. That means here is 1. Here 0, 1, 0, here double 0. Suppose I take fourth row, here should be triple 0. Next another element. So this is called echelon form. And to summarize all these in a problem, let us discuss by taking one example. Suppose I take 2 examples here, 3, 2, these 2 examples, and a note here is the rank of a 0 matrix is 0. 0 matrix means the elements of a given matrix, if all are 0, it is called 0 matrix. And the rank of unity matrix already know that the matrix, square matrix whose main elements are 1. Its order is same as rank is same as its order. Suppose order of 2 and rank is also 2. Let us come to example to discuss these facts. Suppose I take 3 examples here. First example, suppose 3 minus 1 2 minus 6 2 4 minus 3 1 2. Suppose I take this matrix as A matrix. And how to find determinant? We already know the since it's order 3, we can take very simple example by taking determinant value and so on, but by taking the elementary operation, that is echelon form, let us consider. So now see, in this matrix, by echelon form to convert, it is upper triangular matrix which places second row first element, third row first element and third row second element. How to convert 0? Fix it, there is no change required to change in here. -3, -1 to remain same. Since -6 and 3 here, because -6 minus of +6 is equal to 0. So row 2 replaced by row 2 plus 2 into row 1. Clear? It is now 0. Row 2 plus 2 over 1 means 2. Here is multiply 2, added it will be again 0, and 4 addition with 4 plus 4 is 8. Similarly, how to convert 0? Third row first element, operate on first row. Row 3 replaced by row 3 plus row 1, because here is -3 in the first row first element 3, -3 with +3 is 0. So just addition, but corresponding elements, -3 plus 3 0, 1 minus 1 again 0, 2 plus 2 again 4. So already you get upper triangular matrix. If there again 0 possible in the third row, already see it is 0 here, 0 here, 0 here, but you can take a third row case, operate on second row, not first row. This is the process. Keep first row fixed, 3 minus 1 2, 0, second row fixed, and third row operate. Third row means row 3 operate on row 2 by what? Twice of row 3 minus row 2. So clearly it is now 0, 0 and 0. We get now completely it is echelon form, and from this echelon form, how many non-zero here rows here? Non-zero row, 0 row about. It is now completely 0 row. These two row, first row, second row are non-zero row. As per a definition of echelon form, the rank of matrix is equal to 2. Clear? So now come to another example. There are two examples I take, order 4, first, second. Suppose I take a second one. The elements are very simple: 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 4, 5, 1, 5, 5, 7, 8, 1, 14 and 17. Check again your question: 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 4, 5, 1, 5, 5, 7, 8, 1, 14, 17. Let us again convert this one to upper triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix means which one to 0? This plus 0, this plus 0, this plus 0, this 2 plus 0, again this 2 plus 0. 6 zeros required. And which row remain fixed? Procedure is first row remain fixed, 1, 2, remain fixed. Now see, second row first element is 2. When you operate on first row, it is 1, because 2 minus 2 will be 0. So multiply 2 with the first row and subtract from second row. So operation is very simple. Row 2 replaced by row 2 minus 2 R1. You can write the description total here also, calculation part. 2 minus 2 into 1 is equal to 0. Write 0 here. Operator, this operation on each element. 1 minus 2 into 2. 2 to the 4. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Minus 3. Here is 4 minus 2 into 3. 6. It is now minus 2. Here is minus 2. And 5 minus 2, 4. 8, 5 minus 8 is equal to again minus 3. Here is minus 3. Completed. Now come to second row. second row again operate on first row. Now see both are 1 here 1 minus 1 0. So second row operation is very simple, only row 3 minus row 1. Don't operate on row 2 because procedure is row 2 row 3 row 4. Operator first step row 1 then proceed. So it is now 0 1 minus 1 0, 5 minus 2 is 3, 5 minus 3 is 2, 7 minus 4 again is 3. Clear? Now operate change row 4 first element 0, again operate on row 1. Here is 8, here is 1. How to change? Here multiply row 1 with 8 and subtract from row 3. So operation is like row 3 minus 8 row 1. You can write here the calculation part. Row 4 8, 8 minus 8 into 1 is equal to 0. Here write 0. Similarly 1 minus 8 into 2, 16. So it is now minus 15, minus 15. Next one 14 minus 8 into 4. That means see 18, 14. Sorry. 18 sorry 3, 14 minus 24 is equal to minus 10. Here is minus 10 and next one is 17 minus 8 into 4, 8 4 is 32, 17 minus 32 is nothing but minus 15. Clear? So second step completed. Now come to next step. Now keep it first row, second row fixed, 3 4 1 2 3 4 fixed. Which place to convert 0? These two places and operate on second row. So here is it minus 3, here is plus 3, just addition, take 0. Simple idea. So row 3 replace by row 3 plus row 2. So it is now keep it second row fixed, 0 minus 3 minus 2 minus 3. Here is 0 plus 0 0, minus 3 plus 3 0, 2 minus 2 addition 0 and minus 3 again plus 3 also 0. Next operate row 4 operate on row 2 by what operation? See row 4 change by here minus 15, here is minus 3. Also both are minus, same symbol. Minus 15. So row 4 minus 5 of row 2. So row 4 5 row 2 means check here 0 minus 15 minus plus 5 3 is 15 0. So 10 5 multiply with 2 again it is now 0 and minus 15 again is multiply with 0. So this completes your total procedure. We get a upper triangular matrix by converting these three elements 0, triangle size upper triangular matrix. And from the last step you see how many non-zero here? 1 2 3 4, 0 minus 3 minus 2 means first row second row there are two non-zero rows and a third row and fourth row both have 0 rows. 0 rows means completely 0. Third row, fourth row elements all are 0. Since there are these two rows are non-zero, there are two non-zero row, completely by definition it is a rank of matrix is equal to 2. Clear? So this is all about your rank of matrix. You can at your home solve this one. So today perhaps I understood all of the discussion. In the next class we will discuss how the rank of matrix will be applicable to solve the linear system of equations, how to check a consistency, how is the inconsistency. So thank you everyone.